Hi, with this video I would like to share with you what we are doing here in Italy around smooth streaming digital events. During this video you will see all the team telling to you what is the experience, what are the learnings and the challenges that we are facing doing such type of events.
Virtual events are a key element of our digital marketing strategy. We can save money, reach a lot of people, and show the value of our innovation.
Visual Studio was the first. We started with a very limited budget and high expectation from our developers. During the planning phase, we started with a physical event, small physical events broadcasted online. But we suddenly discovered that the physical event was limiting our ability to engage the people online. So we moved away and we decided to develop a new format, thinking of the people that are watching us online. So we developed this TV show format, highly interactive.
For the first online event, TPA gave us the briefing. The challenge was that we had to respect the worldwide Visual Studio launch, so we had 2 months to build an event that was completely new for all of us.
Even if we didn't have the physical events with the audience on site, we wanted to create some touch point with them, creating some instant win and the chat live with our expert.
With the digital team, we had to find the best vendors and partners to realize our project and replicate it in the future.
Digital marketing team, as element of the process, coordinate the huge work between owners and partner Mosaico.
We gave a technical and creative contribute to Microsoft virtual events. We wrote a web TV format to identify the best technical and artistic solutions aligned with the Microsoft team. So we turned the Microsoft Industrial Conferences in a web live show. We optimized the production process crossing several fields and competencies like tiles of a mosaic. We created a new model of industrial communication that we hope to export outside Italy. I'm grateful to Microsoft for their trust in Mosaico.
The location, the studio, all video production had to be aligned with the international campaign.
From a technical standpoint, thanks to Mosaico, we set up a professional TV set with a professional director. And technically, you can see the chart on how it works. We choose Silverlight Smooth Streaming as a delivery mechanism, and all the video production was high definition, 720 progressive. And this was a challenge, but the biggest challenge is to provide fault tolerance. Fault tolerance is what costs very much in this kind of events. There is a white paper that I encourage you to read from the Silverlight team that explains how to realize fault tolerance. And what we are doing here, if we want to do a cheaper event, is to pre-record the entire events and then play back, leaving the interactive part live as the chat, for example.
We use many tools for managing the virtual events on MS-Com. We work closely with our agency and with our international hubs to optimize our demand generation activities and to manage the tools for chat and for the subscriptions, and finally to publish live our website on time.
We wanted to promote the event on Microsoft properties, but not only using MSDN and TechNet. We also involved partners like the students, MVPs, communities, and also MSN.
We also leveraged corp investment to integrate demand generation for the event into the global advertising campaign.
Doing a TV show is very different from a typical physical event. Because of many things, there are much more things that you have to take care. There are much more cameras. The space is certainly smaller. So it was a challenge for the speaker to try these new things.
You have a camera in front of you. Try to shrink your content or split the content or using animation and a lot of demo. And finally, good luck.
Consider that you are doing a live event, so prepare your PC and your connection before everything and try to have everything on one PC, because you cannot move PC or remove them while other speakers are speaking. And also consider that the show must go on. You have to continue speaking even if there are some problems, because the event is still recorded.
Virtual events are the best example of the One Microsoft approach. Several people working in different divisions for the same goal, a successful online event.
We are pretty satisfied with the numbers so far. We ran 3 live smooth streaming events with a total of 16,000 online attendees. And the results improved from 5,200 with the Visual Studio 2010 launch until 1,900 online attendees during the event we ran on the largest IT fair in Italy called SMAU. Of course, we had a very positive impact on our DPE scorecard.
We impacted both on technical audience reach and competitive audience reach, with 4,500 registered attendees to the events live and 7,500 references from neutral and competitive sites.
The events won't be so successful without a strong collaboration with third-party news magazines that we involved to develop and to deliver the content. This was done together with our standard PR efforts, and this gave us the power to reach new customers.
The Italian subsidiary has been one of the first in the world to run digital events. We learned a lot during the last 2 years, and one of the outcomes has been the room where we are shooting this video. We created a Microsoft Video Room where we are able to shoot all the videos and run digital events.
What we have learned? We have learned that from a content perspective, we have to develop specific content for this kind of events. Because we have to maintain people engaged and we have to maintain the rhythm of events, like in a normal TV show. We think we did quite well in the first events, but we have areas to improve. And because of this, we are planning to do a specific training on how to maintain people engaged and how to maintain the rhythm of this kind of events.